AGBA stock analysis and AGBA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So AGBA Group Holding Limited, I'm looking at something that is already kind of starting to pick up. So honestly, what's going on next? I'll say this, bro, I'm super bullish. We're finally, I mean, half of the price. This is since yesterday has taken above the highs. This has been turned to break even and it's been just going on. I mean, I know it's like 2% down, but it's still far above the break even line. Just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions. And I'm telling you this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So with AGBA, yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me show you the proof. Right, this is the video. This was made 6 days ago. That's how it looked like. Let me actually copy the link. I don't know why I have not copied the link yet, but like here it is. So what I'm going to do is just keep waiting. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using and want to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description and I will see you in the next one.